Hello. Today we're gonna continue perspective. We're gonna do another drawing including slopes. Referring to handout page 51, which is this handout over here. Today we're gonna design exercise 59, which is made up from slopes and straight lines. As we did in the previous exercise, each grid we're gonna give it a value of 30 millimeter. If you're noticing here, this is in a cube, so it is 120 by 120 by 120. We're gonna continue on the same paper we started last time. The vanishing points, we're gonna do them over here, and the lowest point is gonna be in line with the first drawing, which we already did. It's gonna be over here. So we're gonna join again to the vanishing points. I'm gonna draw the drawing to make things easy for you to understand. The drawing is something like this. It's divided into three parts, which are, this one is equivalent to 1 unit, this one is equivalent to 1 unit, and the middle part is 2 units. Here we have the first slope. Okay, here we have another slope. Which is something like this. Okay, this is just a reference, so when we design in perspective, we can refer to this 3D model for reference. Okay, so as we said, 120 by 120, and the height is 120. So the first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna do the true length, which stands in the middle, which is gonna be 120 millimeter. I'm gonna join to the vanishing points. Okay, I'm gonna place the 120 in the bottom line, which is gonna act as the ruler. From here I'm going up, from here I'm going up. Okay, this is my point A over here. This is my point B, and as we did in the previous drawings, we need to find the midpoint. The midpoint is exactly in the middle in this case because the drawing is in a form of a cube. I'm gonna join. Okay, where this line intersects with the horizontal, with the baseline, I'm gonna do a vertical line, which we called the limits. I have one there, and I have one over there. From here, I'm gonna join to the vanishing point, and from here to the other vanishing point to create the cube. So this is the cube in perspective. Now I'm gonna put the drawing. As we said, this area over here is equivalent to 1 unit, and even this part is equivalent to 1 unit. we can do like this to make it easy to understand. So this area and the first area are 1 unit each, which is equivalent to 30 millimeter. So what I'm gonna do here on this side, I'm gonna measure 30, and here I'm gonna measure 30. Here to the midpoint, I'm gonna remove the circle. This is just for my reference. Here I'm gonna project it to the midpoint, and I have the first part ready. From here I'm gonna draw a vertical line, and from here I'm gonna draw a vertical line. This is the section at the back, and this is the section in front. With the outline, with the pencil HB, you can join straight away from here till there. Okay, to find this point at the back with the construction line, from this particular point we need to project to the vanishing point to find this particular corner over there. So with the outline I'm gonna join again from there till there, and I have the first slope in place. Now what I need to do is create the slope in the middle. If you're noticing the height of the slope, it starts from 2 units. I'm gonna use a color so we can identify. I'm gonna find this step over here, which is 2 units height. In our case it's gonna be 60 millimeter. With the construction line, I'm going up 60 millimeter from the true length, which is a line over there. From here I'm gonna join to the vanishing point. Okay, with the outline I can finish this part as well. This is the step. That face is done. With the ruler, as we said in the other drawing, we're gonna join the starting and the ending point. When there is a slope, the slope, they don't refer to the vanishing points. Important that you know the starting and the ending point. The only thing I have missing to find is from here to the vanishing point, so I can find the rest of the second slope, which is from here till there. I'm gonna join. The drawing is almost done. From here I'm gonna join, finishing the drawing, and the perspective is ready. Keep in mind as a revision, the horizontal line touching the lowest point acts as the new ruler. All the measurements, we place them on that line. Always find the midpoint, which is always in between A and B. All the lines we project to the midpoint, we find the intersection on the horizontal line as we're seeing here, and we project vertical lines. Take your time to do this drawing. Thank you.